Hello, my lovely honors biology students. During this screencast, I will give you an overview of JTLearn and how we plan to use it in biology. So let's first start at the beginning. When you first click on the Internet Explorer icon, you should be brought to a page that looks very similar to this. This is your home page. On your home page, you should see a couple of things. You should see your schedule here. Right now, you see my schedule because this is my computer, but on your own, you should see your own schedule. And you'll have your library lookup information. From this page, you can get to a lot of important things. You can get to all of your teachers' JTLearn sites, including mine, and we'll get there in a second. But also, like I showed you in class, you can get to a lot of resources. So first and most importantly, for my class at least, is Office 365. You click on this to check your email, get to your OneDrive, things like that. Also, your ICP is in here, and this is something we're going to talk about later this year. You will use your ICP in all of your classes throughout high school. So, back to my class in particular. Very first thing I want you to do is find your class period over here where it says classes that you have me, and click on my name. So, my name is Michelle Casiello. Click on that. Once you click my name, it should bring you to my teacher page. So it looks like this. There's not a lot that you're going to use here. This is just my landing page. It shows you how awesome I am because yes, I have gone skydiving and jumped out of an airplane. It was awesome. You can ask me about it sometime in class. From here, you're going to click on your class. So we are Biology 1 Honors. The HON stands for honors, so click on that. And this is where you're going to be finding most of your information. Here, you can get all of my contact information, including my email address, the phone number to reach me at school, and my extension. I will warn you if you call me here, obviously, I'm not here at night, and during the day it goes straight to my voicemail, so you have to leave a message. If you do have something important, you can always call me there, though. In class, I had you guys sign up for the Remind text messages. Here's that same information. It will be here all year, so if you didn't sign up in class because you didn't have your phone with you for some reason, you can do that here. If you scroll down a little bit more, you see our calendar. So this is where you should go if you are absent or if you need to get some worksheets for the day in class. So if you take a look, today in class we went over the syllabus. So if I click on Thursday's date, you can see my agenda. I say go over syllabus with PowerPoint, safety contract, cube activity. All of the worksheets that you need, they're either homework or there's something you're collecting or you're turning in for points. All of those will be down here with links. Those links will bring you right to those documents. So for example, my syllabus, if I clicked on the link, it brings you right to the syllabus you got from me for class today. If you're absent, this is a great place to go to find those resources. So again, go to the calendar on my biology homepage, and all of those agendas will be right there. From here, this is also where we're going to get to our unit pages. So to start, if I click on syllabus and lab safety, here, this is our beginning of the year logistical information. So as soon as I finish the screencast, I will put a link to it right here. I've also given this to you via email. That's how you accessed it today. And below, again, here is another place where all of those documents are that you can come back to and get. So once again, our syllabus is here. The PowerPoint I showed in class is here, and our safety contract information. I'll be adding things to this as we go through more lab safety things. Getting into our units, so if I click on Unit 1, here are all of our I can statements. So these first 9 statements are the things you should be able to do by the time we finish our first unit, which is called Chemistry of Life. As we go through, I will add additional things here. So I already have a PowerPoint posted. I already have our first notes posted. If we use resources and online websites during class, I'll put them here. And then any documents we use during class, I will add to our Unit 1 Documents folder. I have them split by assignments, reviews, and labs, so you'll click on the appropriate category to get the correct document. Anything that I think is important or can be used for extra help or review or enrichment outside of class, I will post at the bottom. You will have one of these pages for each of the units that we have this semester. You can see all 8 units already have their own pages here. All right, so back at our Honors Biology homepage, if you want to submit an assignment or do a do now, you're going to click over here where it says class period. You should not be able to see all 4 of these classes. You'll just see the period that I have you. So let's say you are in period 2. If I want you to submit an assignment or turn in a do now, you're going to click on period 2. So period 2 brings you here. Over here, you should be able to see your grade. Everybody right now at this point has 1 point for eligibility, and that should be in there. Here, it gives you directions for submitting assignments. Every assignment you submit should be saved a certain way. I want you to use your username dot assignment name. So my username for Juliet West is M. Casiello. It's my first initial and last name. Depending on your last name and your first initial, you might have some numbers after it. The username is the same username that you use to sign into your computer. So username dot assignment name. So this one I just called example assignment. If it was the Saving Sammy assignment we did on Wednesday, you would say mcasiello dot saving Sammy. That's the format you save the document in. And then if you want to turn in an assignment, or I have you submit it, you're going to go over here again to the left-hand side where it says Submit Assignments. Click, and then you'll find a folder. You'll click into the folder to actually submit your assignment. Then you'll add your new document, upload existing. Your class period page is also where you will submit your do nows. So your do nows are here. I don't have any in here right now, but we are going to go over one on Monday and we will do it together. I'll show you how to submit a do now in class. So the big important things you're going to need to know are mostly centered on this Honors Biology page. You can have access to your class period sites where you can submit your assignments and complete your do nows. You have access to all of the unit pages that have documents, they have links that we're using in class and so on. And you'll have access to our calendar where you can see our agenda for the day and the assignments that we did. Again, at your home page, which is the first thing you should see when you click into Internet Explorer, you can have access to all of your resources like email and your OneDrive, your ICP. You can see all of the rest of your teachers' pages and your library information. One quick side note, if you do decide to download Google Chrome to use as your internet site instead of Internet Explorer, JTLearn sometimes gets a little funky with Chrome. It's been designed to be used with Internet Explorer, so if you're ever at home and trying to download an assignment or get access to something and you can't on JTLearn, make sure you switch over to Internet Explorer because things usually work better there. Hopefully this was helpful. This will be available for you to access throughout the year. Again, it will be on that syllabus and lab safety page. There'll be a link to this video. If you have any questions on JTLearn, I'll have a quick question and answer session on Monday when you come to class. Again, we'll go over how to submit a do now, and hopefully we will have an amazing year using JTLearn.